So here we'll go through GDB and its speed at times. So here we can see a single breakpoint and it's executing very quickly round to that point. This is on the ESP32 and we're using the dev kit. So now with 2 it's still fast. Well, there we go, put it in the right place. So that's nice and quick, as you'd expect. Now with this particular debugger, there is a limit of 2 hardware breakpoints, and that's what these are. So as you can see now, there's a much bigger slowdown going between them. And if we try and set more, there's not really any more valid space in this example. We'll see that it becomes even slower. So this is because it's having to swap the breakpoints around in the background between each one, as it only actually has 2 slots to use to track them in. So a way you can identify if this is your problem is if you go to the micro build output and then search for build folder, and you'll be able to hold the control key and click the link, and this will open the folder in Windows Explorer. And there'll be a log file in here for most debug probes, with the exception of GDB stubs and Black Magic. And you'll have this OpenOCD log. So if you open this log, you see all the commands and responses from the PC, and we'll see this repeated statement of max hardware slot reached or something similar, and it says 2. So this is confirming that we only have 2 slots available, so 2 hardware breakpoints on this debugger. But of course you can move them around and use the step tools to navigate your code instead of having lots of breakpoints set initially. So that's one way to avoid the problem. Or use the Visual Micro Serial Debugger.